Hello friends, welcome to Sudha's Veg Recipes. India is a land of traditions and religious beliefs, and there are certain days in year when people avoid eating non-veg here. So Shravan is one such month, and being Shravan month running now, many my friends have requested to show recipes which are vegetarian but give a flavor and taste of non-veg. So today I am doing the recipe of eggless omelette. For that I have taken 1 cup of chickpea flour or besan. Add this to mixing bowl, and for 1 cup of chickpea flour or besan I have taken 1/4 cup of maida or all purpose flour. To this I am adding salt to taste, and now I am adding 1 cup of water to this. Gradually, not all at once. We want to make a thin batter, a very thin and flowy batter is what we are looking for. Once the lump-free batter is ready, now I am adding the remaining water also to this. Once the lump-free batter is ready, now our remaining water also is added and the batter is almost ready. I am also adding about 1 spoon of malai to this. This you can skip if you don't have, but it will give a more fluffy texture to the vegetarian omelette. Mix this well. If required, we will add some more water later. We will let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I am adding about 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to this, and also about half a teaspoon more water to this, and mix them well, and we are ready to make the vegetarian omelettes. So now I have heated a pan here and adding about half a teaspoon of oil to it, and then about 1 teaspoon of butter. I have added oil so that the butter does not burn. Next I am adding in some finely chopped onions. Decide as per your taste how much you want. Some finely chopped green chilies, some finely chopped coriander leaves, and very few finely chopped tomatoes. Also sprinkle a little bit of salt and let them cook for a while. Spread them evenly on tawa, and now we can pour this batter which we had prepared. Let's cook this on medium to low heat. Once this has settled a little, I am adding a bread on top of this. Flip this so that the other side of bread also absorbs the batter, and now let this cover. Once this gets cooked, it will leave the side of pans and we will be able to easily flip this. Still some time to go. We can cover this and cook for few seconds. Let's check, it should be done. Yes, it's done. Let's take it out. We'll flip it so that bread also gets toasted slightly. And let's take it out on the plate. The pan is very old and it's non-stick layer has gone. That's why I'm taking some time to take it out. Finally, just sprinkle some black pepper if you like on this, and enjoy this. Can have some green chilies alongside. So our vegetarian eggless omelette is ready to enjoy. You will get taste very much similar to the egg omelette in this if you are an vegetarian. Otherwise you can enjoy how is an egg omelette tastes like. See you for more exciting recipes. Bye bye.